Thus begins the great SINKORAMA. This is looking good now. Wait till you see what it looked like before out of a meadow. So you grind all the rust off down to steel, clean it up, scrub it up, repair. Did a lot of repairs. It's a 1932 18 by 30 farmhouse sink. Very nice. Now this sink should have wound up in the dump, and it's just for my neighbor, and we like it best. Look at this. Had to grind it all down, and don't look too closely at it because there's still could be work done on it. They like that best, I think. Well, this one, why did I change that color? I don't know. It's 1958 sink. Oh, love the soap dish. That's why. So got that one for sale. And then picked up a couple of twins and repaired them, and they're ready. They're 1953. SINKORAMA.